Hello, welcome to this video. So this video will be about a conventional question in pair 1 of DSE about equation of circle. We are given the coordinates of 2 points. So here we would like to find the equation of straight line, which is the perpendicular bisector of this line segment. So A1. So if we have PQ, okay, it's like this. Okay, so PQ, vice versa. So it should be this. So first of all, perpendicular bisector is this, and then we may need to find the midpoint of PQ. So which is 4 plus negative 14, and then negative 1 plus 23 over 2. So negative 5, and then 11. And then the slope of PQ, so which is 23 plus 1 over negative 14 minus 4, and which is 24 over negative 18. So that would be negative 4 over 3. Yep, that makes sense. And then the equation of L, so which is y minus 11 over x minus 5 equals to 3/4. And that would be 3x minus 4y. So 15 minus 44. Okay. Oh. Yeah, negative 15 minus 44. Okay, so that's why plus 59. Right, so that's why this is part A1 about the equation of L. So we have A2. Suppose G is a point on L. Okay, so suppose G is a point on L, in which the x coordinate of G is h. Okay, so don't forget don't forget G is a point line on the L. Right, so here, so since we only have the x coordinate, so if we try to denote the y coordinate of G by k as well, so in that case G equals to hk. And then now let C be the circle which is centered at G, so we now have C, the center, and then the radius. Okay, so the circle passes through P and Q. That means, okay, we have the circle like this. Good. So in that case, G, this is P, right? P, oh yeah. So I then try to let GP then. GP is the radius. Okay, so that's why the radius would be h minus 4 all square, and then plus k plus 1 all square. And that's the radius. So we want to prove the equation of C, okay, is in this form. So that will be x minus h all square plus y minus k all square equals this. Okay, so and then we just try to expand all the things. So a minus b all square, so that will be a square minus 2ab and then plus b square. And similar for the right hand side, the square and the square will cancel, but still we need to expand all the things, okay, into the square root. And then we have the x square plus y square, and then minus 2hx, and then minus 2ky, and then constant term minus plus hh, and then minus 2k, and then minus 17. And then this is the equation in terms of h and k, but of course, okay, the k, okay, will be the dummy variable. So how can we put away the dummy variable? So here we just try to make use of the answer, okay, in part A1. So since x equals h and y equals k, so then we will have 3h minus 4k plus 59 equals to 0. So to make k as the subject, so that's why k equals 3h over 4, so that will be 0.75h, and then plus 59 over 4, so which is 14.75. Alright, so that's why here we just try to replace all k. By 0.75h plus 14.75. And then just expand it. And then still, okay, you can see the equation is 2x squared plus 2y squared in the bracket. So multiply, so remove the bracket and then multiply the whole thing by 2. So and then we'll get 2x squared plus 2y squared. So this is minus 4hx. And then the thing inside, so 0.75 times 2 and times 2. So that's by 3. And then 14.75 times 4. So that's why plus 59, yep, bingo. And then x plus 2, x times 2, so that will be 16. Okay, so, and then 2 times 0.75 and times 2, so that will be plus 3, so minus 3h. And then minus 2 times 2 times 14.75, so minus 59. And then minus 34. So that's why we try to match the answer with the suggested expression or the equation. So 16h minus 3h or 13h, and then minus 59 minus 44, so minus 93. That's good. And that's why, okay, we will have A2. So now we are in part B. So the coordinates of the point R, okay, will be 26, 43. Alright, so find the diameter of the circle which passes through P and Q, not this time, and also R. So that's why R will be here. R is 26, 43. And don't forget, okay, in the previous part, the coordinates of G, okay, are HK, in which of course K depend on H, but still, okay, so you can see the coordinate of G, okay, will be depending on H, which is a variable. So that means the yellow circle is not fixed. So how to fix the circle? So that's why, okay, we have a point R here. And that's why here, so we try to plug So since r lies on the circle, so that's why we try to replace, try to plug the coordinates of r into the equation we proved in A2. So h. So that will be 4 times 96 plus 3 times 43 minus 13. So 220h equals all the constant stuff. So that will be 2420. So h equals 11. Good. So if h equals to 11, just now we have the k, right? So we can find out the k. Or the whole equation now becomes 2x squared plus 2y squared. So that would be minus 44h. And then 3 times 11 plus 59, so minus 92. And then 13 times 11 minus 93, so plus 50. So this is the equation of circle. So and then the center would be negative 22 divided by negative 2, which is 11. And then negative 46 divided by negative 2, which is 23. Good. So and then the radius will be just 11 squared plus 23 squared minus 25. So 25 also. So that's why we are asked to find diameter. So just 25 times 2, and that's 150. Right, so and then that's all for this part as well as this video. Thank you for watching.